How to add signature in Microsoft Word. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. Okay, so let me open Microsoft Word. Okay guys, so here we are. So let's start with the video. So the process is very simple guys. First we need a signature. Okay, so you can click the photo of your signature from your mobile phone and transfer to your desktop, and then you can remove the background. I will show you how you can remove the background. Come to your browser. I'm using the Chrome. Come to the Google, and you can search for remove background or BG. Okay, so this website will be open. Just open it and just upload that signature from your device. This signature I have, which is this signature background already remove it, but you need to just select signature like this, and it will be remove your signature, sorry, background. Okay, and after remove this, just download it. Okay, after download, your signature will be look like this. I will show you. It will be look like this without background. Okay, now come back in Microsoft Word. Now here we need to go in insert and come to the signature line and add the signature, sorry, click on that signature line option and type the suggested signature or name. Here the position, here the email ID if you have an email ID. Okay, if you want to show the date of this signature, just make this checkbox, click this checkbox and just click OK. Then this signature sample will be come here. Now you need to go insert again, go to the picture, go to this device and find that signature file and upload. Okay, now just click on it. Just click on the layout option and choose this option, which is front of text. Now you can resize it. Okay, first you need to just insert the signature, then go to the insert and go to the signature line, type your name, then the position, then your email ID, click OK. Now just click on signature again. You need to just click on this front of text. Now just fit this signature above this signature line. Okay, it is like image. Okay, okay, now what you need to do, just select this all like this. Okay, you can double click on it or just select all like this. Just drag your click and hold your mouse left button and just drag it to bottom top. It will be select. Now go to the insert again. Now we need to go on quick part and save the selected quick part gallery. Give the signature, sorry, that quick part name, signature 2, or you can type the name of person, whatever you want, and just click OK. Okay, now you can easily insert this signature from here to any new page or any file. You need to just come to insert, go to the quick part and just click on that signature, so it will be insert like this. Okay, so it is like permanent. You can insert, you can create the quick part of any signature and you can insert to anywhere, in new page, in new file, in Google Word. Okay, sorry, Microsoft Word. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.